All right, what's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome week so far. We've got a busy week ahead of us, but I wanted to kind of slow things down in my head here and try and get back on track. Now this is gonna be a little bit different video, as you guys know, and if you don't know because you're newer to the channel or newer to following Kevin and I both, Kevin actually started the gym here. It's called Van Voorst Performance. And you know, I moved out here this summer to work for him, work with him, and so we both do personal training. That's our main source of income. We also have the clothing brand Contagion Athletics, so we do anything having to do with fitness. Really, we do supplementation, workouts, nutrition. We do private one-on-one training, which is kind of our biggest business. And so yeah, that's kind of how we make our income. And so we tried not incorporating that stuff into the channel, but you know, it's what we do all day, every day. And I haven't done a video since the last one, and I'm gonna link the last one below. It's kind of funny. It was just like a workout edit, plus we went 8 canes. It was kind of just messing around, kind of just to see if you guys even enjoyed those videos, which it didn't get good views, but it's kind of a way for the subscribers, you guys, to kind of get in touch with what we do on a day-to-day basis, besides all the car stuff, which is probably the majority of the reason why you're here. But we kind of want to show you what we do outside of that also. So today we're gonna go work out. Obviously, we try and work out either in the morning or about right after lunchtime, just because early in the mornings is really busy. And at night is super busy, and by the time we get done we don't really want to work out, and usually that's when we skip workouts, is when we say we're gonna work out at night. So I've got a Bang energy drink. I'm gonna go meet Kevin at the gym. So but on the way there, I'm gonna get Kevin and I both notebooks to start tracking our macros religiously, and to track our workouts, our nutrition, and our cardio, so that we can kind of be a little more accurate. Kevin's getting married coming up this year, so he's trying to diet for that. I just like being lean. I usually stay pretty lean year round, but right now, or actually for the past month or so, I've kind of been trying to gain a little bit of my strength back. So I kind of was bulking there for a second, aka for like 2 months, eating whatever the hell I wanted to. But so we started tracking our macros about 2 weeks ago, and we started implementing cardio already. So I think the best way for us to keep each other kind of on our toes and make sure we're doing it is to get actual like notebook or journal, and we'll write all that stuff down. So we're gonna track our weight daily, which I don't recommend to everybody because sometimes that can kind of get daunting, and it can be kind of a negative thing actually if you're tracking your weight every day. But the reason why we're gonna do it is we're gonna track our weight every day, then do the average for the week, kind of see what we lost on average that week, and track our macros and track our cardio. That way at the end of the week, when we show each other our notebooks or journals, we can say, hey, what'd you do on this day? You didn't track it. And I think it'll kind of up the accountability that we have, and maybe some of these things will help you guys. And accountability goes not just with working out, it goes with life in general, family, friends, relationships, your job. So accountability is everywhere, and maybe this will help you. But I think the best way to be accountable is to write things down. Sometimes when we use our phones too much, we aren't as accountable because we're in our phone doing other things. And so yes, we track our macros using MyFitnessPal, by the way. It's an app to track your calories. And yeah, we're gonna do it in there. But if you actually write down your weight, and if you actually hit your macros, if you went over, under, and you write that down, and then you write down your weight for that day, you could go back and be like, okay, my weight was that day because of I went under or I went over, things like that. So you've got more details to look back when, you know, when the weight plateaus. You kind of need to figure out why it's plateauing, and these would be good things to look back on. So we're gonna go over, well, I'm gonna go buy a notebook or a journal. Kevin doesn't know I'm doing this, by the way. I'm just gonna show up and give him the journal or notebook, whatever the hell it is, and he's gonna have to use it. So I'm gonna kind of buy him off with giving him a Bang energy drink, and maybe that'll kind of settle him down about the whole notebook thing, because he's not gonna like it at first. So let's go get one. The little notebook I got, nothing fancy, just kind of small, easy to carry around. So what we'll do is let's open this here. Okay, come on. So we'll write down, this will be like for a week probably, just because we'll have to write down so many things, but we'll put like our macros, our weight for the day, cardio, probably steps actually, because we do walk a lot at work. But yeah, just something simple like this. I kind of wanted something with a date on it, but this will work for now. So there's Kevin's, there's mine. So I wrote his name on it. So he's probably gonna hate this idea and he's gonna talk shit, but we're gonna make him do it. So we're just waiting on him to show up. Something simple like this. So I wrote my macros at top, 75 to 80 grams of fat, 470 carbs, 190 to 200 protein. Now this is just starting out. This is only, like I said, I think the second week of tracking, so we're still trying to get a range here for me. Obviously don't go off these macros because this goes based off my weight, height, age. I do have faster metabolism than normal people, and I'm on my feet all day, so I do burn a little bit more calories than the average person. I don't have Monday on here because I don't remember Monday's weight, so we're just going off Tuesday, Wednesday. Now I already filled out the days I'm doing cardio. I'm gonna have to do cardio 3 days in a row, which isn't ideal. Like I said, that's not ideal, but with what we have going on this week, that's just how it happens. And I want to write down the days because you do hold on to water when you're sore, when you're tired from, you know, if you did cardio or a hard leg day session, hard any workout, if you're sore, you'll hold water. So I kind of want to track what the days I did what workouts and the days I did cardio, and if my weight goes up, then I kind of have an answer for that. So something as simple as this, doesn't have to be too crazy, just something to kind of keep yourself accountable. And right now I'm just doing 3 days. It's high intensity cardio. It's not really, it's jump rope. So something quick, easy. It's just what I have time for right now. Obviously, with the amount of calories I'm on, I can always up the cardio because I'm doing very minimal amount. It takes me like, I think 10 minutes to get all the jump roping in that I'm doing. So I'm doing 10 sets, 45 seconds on, 45 seconds off, something like that. And so it's real minimal right now to start off with. You don't want to go too crazy on your cardio to start off with, because when you plateau, well, then when are you going to add cardio? So very minimal on that, and we're just waiting on Kevin to show up, and we'll see what he has to write down in his notebook. I got you something. Kevin's about to be mad. This is James, by the way. James is going to work out with us today. And new company coming soon with James, actually. Can't say too much, but all right, Kevin, got you a bang and a notebook, because Kevin's gonna be accountable and start writing down his weight every day and his macros and what days he does cardio and what days he works out, so we can hold each other accountable. Look, he doesn't even know what to say. I'm not saying shit. I got you a bang, but I got you a notebook. That's how you barter. What did we do today? All right, we did some shoulders today. The camera is like this. This is big. This big lens. We did some shoulders today. So David got us a notebook. So I already personally decided, because I didn't realize it, Rachel was taking me somewhere for my birthday. We had her birthday, so we really need to both start cutting, actually. So everybody in the house does.
Well, Rachel's been, I mean, yeah, she's been cutting, so.
Killing it.
Yeah, so me and Dave are finally getting on it. It's about that time. So we got bachelor party, which I don't know where we're going. We got getting married, we got the Olympia, we got Fit Expo, we've got We Are Mopar. I'm trying to be shredded for We Are Mopar.
No shirts at We Are Mopar.
Yeah, right. I fucking almost died last year.
So we're pretty much on week 2. So we got the notebooks. We're gonna track the days we do cardio, track our weight every day, figure out our average weight loss per week, and adjust the macros from there.
Highly said.
Bitch, shut up.
Siri's trying to talk to us. Anyways, so we're gonna try and hold each other more accountable. Like I said, it's hard because we're so busy, so we figure instead of putting it on our phone or talking about it, if we actually write it down, we'll probably do it. And then at the end of the week, we can actually hold each other accountable and look at each other's notebooks. So we just wanted to include that in, try and switch it up. If you guys don't like these videos, well, don't watch them because we'll just put more car videos anyways. We're just gonna throw a few of these here and there. It won't be too often, but if you guys are interested, just comment below with questions. You can email us, DM us. All of our information is always below. And if you live in Amarillo and you have questions, come by the gym and ask us. We're always willing to help. And that's pretty much it, I guess.
I think so.
So, like I said, busy weekend ahead. We've got the huge roll race event coming up. And so yeah, we just thought we'd switch it up. Not do a car video for once.
Yeah, if you guys are in town, come by the CA booth. You can't miss us. There's gonna be about 15 goddamn cars at our booth.
Be Vipers, Demons, Trackhawks,
yeah,
F-150s.
Maybe a Charger. We'll see if it gets done.
Maybe a Charger. We might have to trailer, but maybe. So make sure you guys always comment, like, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat at VanV39. Follow Kevin, Cali Boy Kev, and fuck you, Siri. We're out.